Imagine this: a tire buried for decades, forgotten by the world. It's covered in layers of dust and dirt, the once pristine rubber now cracked, dried, and decaying. Now, what if I told you that a simple $2 liquid could bring that tire back to life? What if I told you that this liquid could make any tire look brand new forever? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Welcome to the world of tire restoration, where a miracle solution is buried under your nose and companies have been praying you'd forget about it. It's time to uncover the secret that's been hiding in plain sight for decades. Here it is. This $2 liquid has been a game changer for years, but it's something they don't want you to know about. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how this simple, affordable liquid can make any tire look new again, no matter how old, how damaged, or how neglected it is. Look at this. Just a few months ago, this tire was on its way to the junkyard, no longer of any use. It's cracked, worn down, and looks like it's seen better days. But what if we could turn this tragedy into something that looks as good as new? We've all seen those high-end tire cleaners and conditioners that promise to make your tires look fresh. You've probably spent money on them, and maybe they worked for a little while. But what if there's a better, cheaper, and more permanent solution? The simple $2 liquid is what the tire industry doesn't want you to know about. Why? Because it's too effective, too cheap, and it makes their expensive products look like a waste of money. Watch as the liquid works its magic, turning this cracked and weathered tire back into something that looks like it just came off the showroom floor. It's shiny, sleek, and protected, just like new, and it'll stay that way for the long haul. The best part? This solution isn't just for tires that are about to be tossed. It works on tires that have been buried in the dirt for decades, tires that have been left out in the sun and forgotten. If you've got tires that look like they've seen their last day, this liquid is your chance to bring them back to life without breaking the bank. You don't have to spend a fortune at the auto parts store or trust those overpriced fancy tire treatments. All you need is this simple $2 liquid, and the results speak for themselves. In fact, this liquid is so powerful, it can even revive tires that were buried for decades, making them look brand new again. Think about it. A $2 solution to restore a tire that's been forgotten in the dirt for years. That's the power of this hidden gem. But there's something more to this story. This liquid doesn't just clean your tires, it protects them from the harsh elements. UV rays, dirt, and rain. They all take a toll on your tires over time. But with this solution, you can shield your tires from the wear and tear that would normally destroy them. As you apply the liquid, notice how it's not just restoring the look of the tire, it's protecting it for the long run. Your tire's life expectancy is extended, the rubber is rejuvenated, and you don't have to worry about the wear and tear that usually comes with time. So, why doesn't the tire industry want you to know about this $2 liquid? Because it's too effective. It does what those expensive products can't do, and at a fraction of the price. They want you to believe that you need to spend big money for your tires to look good, but the truth is, this liquid does it all for just $2. Now, before you think this is just some quick fix, think again. This solution not only restores the tire's appearance, it also adds a protective layer that helps extend its life. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about longevity and durability. So why are we still using those expensive tire cleaners that don't even last? Why not go for the solution that truly works, that's easy to apply, and won't break the bank? Now, you might be wondering, does it really work on all kinds of tires? Absolutely. Whether it's a car tire, motorcycle tire, or even a lawnmower tire, this $2 liquid works wonders. It doesn't matter the size or the age of the tire. If it's made of rubber, this liquid will bring it back to life. You've seen the transformation. It's not magic, it's science. This $2 liquid is designed to penetrate the rubber, nourishing it from the inside out, and sealing the surface to protect it from the elements. And the best part? You can apply this treatment as often as needed. Once you see the results, you'll want to keep using it. And that's the beauty of it. It's affordable, effective, and easy to use. Are you ready to give your old tires a new lease on life? You've seen what this liquid can do. It's time to take control and give your tires the care they deserve without spending a fortune. If you're tired of spending big money on expensive tire treatments that don't last, it's time to make the switch. This $2 liquid is the solution you've been looking for. Don't let the tire companies keep you in the dark about what truly works. You deserve to know the truth. The next time you see a tire that looks like it's seen better days, don't toss it out. With just a $2 liquid, you can bring it back to life. No need to buy a new one, no need to waste money. This isn't just a one-time fix. It's a long-term solution that will keep your tires looking new and performing at their best for years to come. Let's face it, the tire industry wants you to forget about this $2 liquid. They want you to think you need their overpriced products. But now you know the truth. It's time to take action. Grab your $2 liquid today and give your tires the makeover they deserve. Trust me, your wallet and your tires will thank you. Now that you've seen the incredible results on the tires, let's talk about how you can use this $2 liquid to not only restore your tires, but also extend the life of other rubber parts around your car, motorcycle, or even home appliances. This liquid isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a versatile, all-in-one solution that can restore and protect any rubber surface that's been exposed to the harsh elements. Whether it's your tire, rubber seals, or even the weather stripping on your car doors, this $2 liquid is your go-to for making sure that every rubber surface on your vehicle stays in top condition. When you think about it, your car's rubber parts face the toughest conditions. The sun beats down on them, rain soaks them, dirt gets trapped in the crevices, and over time it all starts to take a toll. The result? Cracked, worn-out rubber that doesn't just look bad, it can start to affect the performance of your car. But with this $2 liquid, you can protect and restore all those rubber parts, ensuring that your car stays looking great and running smoothly. And it's not just about appearance, it's about performance. When rubber components like seals and weather stripping are maintained, they help keep your car more efficient by preventing leaks, reducing noise, and improving insulation. So let's break it down a bit. You've already seen how the liquid works wonders on tires. But did you know that it can do the same for car door seals? Those rubber seals around your car doors are essential for keeping the elements out. Over time, they can crack and lose their effectiveness. With this $2 liquid, you can restore them to their original form, keeping your car interior protected from rain, snow, and even dust. Windshield wipers. Your wiper blades are made of rubber, and they take a beating with every use. This liquid helps keep them flexible and effective, so you get better performance and visibility in rainy conditions. Motorcycle tires. Motorcycle tires face similar challenges as car tires, but often in more extreme conditions. By using this liquid on your bike tires, you can keep them looking new and extend their lifespan. Garden tools. Not just for vehicles, this liquid works wonders on the rubber components of your garden tools. Whether it's the handles or the tires on your lawnmower, this liquid keeps rubber parts intact, ensuring they last longer and function better. Home appliances. Believe it or not, you can use this liquid on rubber parts in your home appliances. Think about your washing machine, refrigerator, or even your favorite kitchen appliances. They all have rubber components that wear out over time, but this liquid can bring them back to life. Imagine the money you'll save by not having to replace these parts every few months or even years. Instead of constantly running to the store to buy new seals, wiper blades, or other rubber components, you'll have the secret to making them look and work like new with just a few simple applications of this $2 liquid. It's incredibly easy to use too. Just apply a small amount to a clean cloth, rub it into the rubber surface, and let it work its magic. Whether it's a tire, seal, or tool, the liquid penetrates deep into the rubber, restoring its flexibility, appearance, and performance. And don't worry about long-lasting results. The protective layer this liquid leaves behind isn't just temporary. It forms a barrier that shields against UV rays, dirt, moisture, and other elements that typically cause rubber to break down over time. Now, this isn't just about improving your car or motorcycle's appearance. It's about investing in the longevity of all those rubber parts around your home, saving you time and money while ensuring that your equipment performs like it did when it was brand new. You might be thinking, but how can one $2 liquid be that powerful? Well, the truth is, this liquid uses advanced formulas that penetrate deep into the rubber, nourishing it from within and creating a protective shield on the surface. It's not just a cosmetic fix, it's a rejuvenation process for rubber, extending its life and keeping it working for years to come. And the best part? It doesn't matter the age of the rubber, whether it's new or decades old, this liquid has the power to restore it. So even if you have rubber components that are on their last leg, they can still be brought back to life. It's like giving your old, worn-out rubber parts a second chance. Let's go over a few more benefits you'll experience when using this solution. UV protection. UV rays are one of the biggest threats to rubber. Over time, they cause rubber to dry out and crack. This liquid blocks UV rays, preventing the sun from taking its toll on your tires and seals. Water repellency. When applied, this liquid makes rubber surfaces resistant to water. So whether it's rain or a muddy road, your tires and seals will stay clean and functional. Flexibility. As rubber ages, it loses its flexibility and starts to crack. The $2 liquid helps keep the rubber soft and pliable, preventing cracks and damage. Cost effective. The best part is that you don't need to spend a fortune. A small bottle goes a long way, and for just $2, you get a product that performs like one of those expensive tire and rubber treatments that cost 10 times more. Now let me ask you, why spend more money on replacements when you could restore what you already have? Why let your rubber components wear out prematurely when you can protect and extend their lifespan with just a few minutes of effort and a bottle of this miracle liquid? If you're tired of overpaying for products that don't deliver, or if you just want a quick, effective way to restore and protect your tires and rubber parts, this is the solution you've been looking for. So go ahead, grab your $2 liquid, apply it to your tires, seals, and other rubber parts, and watch them transform. It's the secret that companies hope you never discover. But now you know the truth. You don't have to spend a fortune to get long-lasting results. Now that you've seen just how powerful this $2 liquid can be for your tires and other rubber parts, let's talk about how you can get the most out of every bottle and apply it effectively across various surfaces. First things first, preparation is key. Before applying the liquid, make sure the rubber surfaces you're working with are clean. This is essential for the liquid to work properly. Dirt, dust, or oil on the surface can prevent the liquid from penetrating the rubber effectively. So it's always a good idea to give your tires or rubber components a quick wipe down before applying the solution. For tires, simply grab a clean cloth, soak it in the $2 liquid, and rub it evenly across the surface of the tire. Be sure to cover all areas, especially the sidewalls where the tire tends to get more exposure to the sun, dirt, and wear. If you're restoring an older tire, you may need to apply the liquid a few times to see the full effect, but don't worry, it won't take long for that tire to start looking brand new again. For other rubber parts, like the seals on your car doors or the weather stripping, simply apply the liquid directly onto a clean cloth and rub it gently along the rubber surface. You'll start to see it shine immediately, and over time, it will help keep those seals in top condition, preventing them from cracking or drying out. If you're using it on garden tools, like the handles of your shovel or rake, just rub the liquid into the rubber part, and it will not only restore its appearance, but also help maintain its strength, making your tools last longer and perform better. You'll notice a more comfortable grip, and your tools will be ready for any garden project you have ahead. The beauty of this $2 liquid is that it's so versatile. Whether it's your car, motorcycle, or home appliances, the solution works wonders across the board. Remember, consistency is key. To keep your rubber components in the best shape, try to apply the liquid every few months, especially if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions. Extreme heat, cold, or heavy rain can quickly wear down rubber, but with regular treatment, this liquid will continue to protect and preserve your tires and seals, extending their lifespan for years. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can this really last? Yes, it can. The protective layer the liquid creates doesn't just wear off after a few days. It's a durable, long-lasting shield that will continue to work for several months, protecting your rubber surfaces from the elements. And here's the best part. You won't need to keep applying it every time you wash your car or bike. Just apply it when you first restore the rubber and you're set for the long haul. The more you use this solution, the better your rubber will look and perform. It's not just about aesthetics. This liquid is an investment in the longevity of your tires, seals, and other rubber parts. If you're someone who cares about your car's appearance, its performance, and the condition of your tires, this is a must-have product. It doesn't just make your tires look good, it helps them function better by keeping them flexible, durable, and safe to drive on. So how much would you pay for a product that restores your tires, seals, and other rubber parts? A lot of people spend hundreds of dollars on high-end tire treatments or professional restoration services, but why spend so much when you can achieve the same results for just $2? If you've been buying expensive tire cleaners or conditioners that promise to protect your tires but never deliver, it's time to make the switch. The $2 liquid is the real deal, and it's going to save you money in the long run. Take control of your vehicle's care, save money, and keep your tires and rubber parts in great shape. With this simple solution, you'll never have to worry about cracked, worn-out rubber again. So don't wait. Get your $2 liquid today and start restoring your tires and rubber surfaces. Your car and your wallet will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your car looking new for longer. Share this video with anyone you know who's tired of spending too much on expensive tire treatments. Let's spread the word that there's a better way to care for your car, and it only costs $2. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to make your car care easier, cheaper, and more effective.